Today we will be presenting our artwork called I'll Be the Change. Unfortunately, one of our group members is not here today, so we'll just be presenting for him.
So, hello everybody. My name is Muyan. I will be explaining the process of how we do this. First thing first, River made the structure of the sketch, made the actual sketch itself. Kaiden, River, and the other group member colored it digital. So basically, you can see one side is crumbling because it's polluted. And the reason why it's crumbling is because polluted environments can be unstable. It can basically just collapse.
So my name is River, and I'm just going to be building off of what Muyan said. So as you can see in our artwork, we have two sides of it divided in the middle. One side is a paradise with blue water and trees, and it's very nice. On the other side, there is a dark red, crumbling, barren wasteland, and it even has like a lake and a waterfall that has oil. So this is just showing that this is what our world could become if we keep polluting it, and the paradise is what we could become if we did the actions of the 4 R's and saved our planet.
So hi, I'm Kaiden. We think we are a part of the regeneration because we care for our environment and urge to make changes. By reducing waste, restoring nature, and reshaping how we live, we build a better world for everyone today and tomorrow. As part of that effort, we chose digital drawing to symbolize wasting less paper and reducing waste through creativity. These 4 R's represent our contribution and regeneration by being simple and straightforward, everyday actions that have significant impacts on our lives. Thank you.